Humans are not very good at remembering more than about 4 things at once. If I ask you to get 10 things from the store, you'll arrive remembering about 4 to 5 of them. It's a limit of the human mind. There are about 4 working memory slots available at the same time. After 4 or 5 items, we start to make predictable mistakes. But here's the thing. The slots can hold chunks that compress a lot of information into one package. For example, the first time you experienced a storm, you processed each element separately: rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. But after a few storms, your mind made them a chunk that can occupy only one slot. Chunking is your mind's way of compressing information and storing it efficiently. And context is what holds chunks together. The meaning of a traffic light, for example, depends on what it's associated with. The question becomes, how do we know this is real? In 1973, psychologists William Chase and Herbert Simon tested the idea using chess. Imagine 2 chess players, a grandmaster and a novice. Both players are shown identical boards from an actual game for 5 seconds. Then they try to recreate each position from scratch. The novice remembered each piece individually and did poorly. The grandmaster did very well, matching nearly the entire board. You might wonder, why did the grandmaster do so well? A second experiment answered that question. When the chess pieces are placed randomly, with no real chess pattern, both players scored about the same. This showed they had about the same memory capacity. So what was helping the expert? The grandmaster had played thousands of games and saw the real game board in terms of familiar patterns that compressed multiple moves into one chunk. That made the difference. The grandmaster could think in terms of patterns of multiple moves, and the novice could only remember specific pieces. Why does this matter? It matters because chunks are the building blocks of learning and memory. The more information you can compress into chunks, the more you can recall and use. Every time you practice a skill, solve a familiar problem, or repeat an experience, your brain is building new chunks. So keep learning. Your mind is always looking for ways to store more information in less space. Learn more at scienceofexplanation.com.